Hello to all our dear friends, to our beautiful channel Nostalgia for Fishing. Friends, we have come here with an interesting video, the second part of our traditional fishing. As you see out here in this video, in one go, not one, not two, but three fishes together we have caught. We have cast our rod again. The water is gushing out in full speed. There you see. Yeah, it's coming out. Today too is the high tide and we are trying our luck hard. But friends, in traditional fishing what we have seen is we did not have to be unlucky out here. We were surely getting fishes. Wow, look at that. We have got a crab. Yes, a crab. That's really good. And look at it. Oh, it's trying its best to escape. As usual. He's a naughty one. He doesn't stand still. There it is going between the rocks. And trust us, it is impossible to put in your hand and to pull it out from the rock. Because my hand, oh my god, can't even think of it. Yes, it's coming crawling out. Let me catch hold of it. Somewhere or the other, I have to take it. Yes. Come out, sweetie, come out. Yeah, yes, we have caught it. Look at it. Wow, it's a blue crab. Trust us, friends, this is super delicious. Yes, we have cast the rod again and see the flow of water in its full might. Yo. Yeah, with one swing, Aprachi has got hooked on it. Putting in again. Let's see. We have to get in more. Yeah, the second one again. But no, let's see. We have got three in a swing, so it has to be coming out one more. And yes, three in a go. Friends, this fishing is really interesting, Anytime you get a chance to get this fishing done, do go for it. I mean, we are thrilled beyond words to explain that. And we want you to experience the same thing. When you get a chance to go out for an outing, anywhere, and you find there is a chance for fishing, do remember us and try out this trick in fishing. And we are sure your happiness will have no bounds. Just try this, friends. Try this out. Yes. Second one has also got hooked to our rod. And as you see, we are not putting any might or strength to place the rod into the sea, It is just a small, I'm sorry, just a small, very, very lightly we are catching our rod onto the sea and the fishes are getting hooked on it. Two have got hooked. Yes, the third one we are waiting for it. Come on. Yo, there you go. Friends, this is really interesting, as I said. Three fishes together. And these fishes, though they are small in size, they are super delicious. Yeah. And look at the sea in its full might. Wow. The waves striking over to the shore, And you can feel the waves. They are so good. I just wanted to show this again to you, that from where the water is coming out gushing and where we are carrying out the fishing, Towards the sea, this small channel where is there and the water is coming over to the other side. The fishes also are coming out from here only. As the water level due to high tide, it rises up. That causes the fishes to come towards to the other end. And there you see, it's going in. The flow is like, you feel, wow, when you look at this flow, whatever worries are there, whatever, flows, anything you feel, negative, for a second thinking across that flow, let them also flow across and let them get washed away and let there be happiness everywhere, Then we are cheerful and happiness, and happy, everything around feels so good, you tend to get the positive vibes all together. And fishing is something that makes you thrilled, it makes you forget all your worries and personal experience, you just have something very good in your mind. Fishes that have to come across. Yes, that's why we are here. And what all we have experienced, we feel the same thing, to be shared with you all also. And we also pray that you all also feel that cheerful and feel the same experience of happiness when you are fishing. It's really good. It's really good, friends. As we have cast our rod again, waiting for the catches. One has got hooked. Here again, not one, not two, but three. Three together, we hope to get it. One has already got hooked in. And trust us, friends, this exercise requires to be patient. Patience is perseverance. You need see the number of fishes what we got. Wow, so many in number. We are zooming in. They are small in sizes, these fishes, but they are super delicious. Yeah, they are still alive. Look at them. Oh, it's fluttering, huh? Here to there. Oh, all are together. So many. A true treat to the eyes. Yes, a true treat to the eyes. They have scales all together on their body. I mean, when you clean them, you have to clean it thoroughly while cooking it. Any kind you do the cooking with this fish is delicious. You go for a curry, you go for a fish fry, it is delicious. The other end we are showing again, where there are a couple of other people also who are fishing out. We are waiting out here to get the to cast our rod into the sea, preparing the baits to put in. As usual, we have shrimps with us to get it hooked onto the rod. And now, friends, something super delicious. We are going to show you cooking the prachi fish. Now here, it's a very simple thing what we have done. We have taken little turmeric, we have grated coconut into it, and we are putting it into the mud vessel what you see. In Malayalam we say chatti. Mean chatti is what we are going to use to prepare the fish curry. And unlike the other vessel you prepare your fish curry, you try this out in this in this earthen vessel. It's really good, it's really good. It has got its own aroma, own charisma to get the deliciousness into the food. Now we have put this paste into it. Now we are just putting it little water to let this boil, and once it is ready I'm sorry, it's due to the weather, I guess, having a kind of itchiness into the throat. Sorry for that. This fresh fish prachi, when you just try it and see, friends, it's super delicious. And try out this curry too, and we are very sure you will love it. Yes, giving it a small stir so that everything gets into well. When we are trying to cook the fish curry out here, we have hens in our backyard, so you can hear them giving the background sound out there too. We have cut our fishes thoroughly, and yes, they're going into it. As you see, we have removed the scales and everything completely, and the fishes, we have placed them in our vessel, in our mean chatti. That's what I would love to say. Yes. And we are waiting for it to boil slightly. And here I have drumsticks, and we have taken raw mango. Yeah, the tender raw mango we have taken. We are not going to use any tamarind out over here. The mean puli is completely avoided out of mean puli. The tamarind we are completely avoiding. Instead we are placing this. Now here what I am putting the paste is shallots and green chili, shallots, ginger and garlic. I have crushed them and I am placing it into it. Shallots is the kochu ulli, what you say, kochullis, then little ginger, inji and little veltulli. All this is being crushed and we are placing it into this fish curry. And drumsticks we have put it. That also adds another zinger taste to it. Yes, of course, the chilies. You need it little spicy, right? No other chili we have added to it. So you have to add the green chilies into it. That will give it a special taste. Look at it. Wow, bubbling over. The fish curry is bubbling over. Yes. it's cooked. This doesn't take that long to cook. Hardly 10 to 15 minutes should be sufficient to get this cooked together. The drumsticks also are perfectly cooked. Yes, in perfect aroma. Friends, we hope that you just loved it. Yes, we loved it sharing with you, and we also hope that you also experience the same joy what we have been sharing in these videos. Friends, thank you for being with us and thank you for watching the video. On the link below, we have shared more interesting video. As and when you have time, do go through it. And in case if you have not subscribed, do subscribe our channel, because once you do this, this will help you to get notifications when we are adding in new videos. Thank you, dear friends. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you.